Our next recipe for diabetics is mixed vegetable methi paratha. So let's see the ingredients for our mixed vegetable methi paratha.
Whole wheat flour 400 grams, onion 1, beans 3, peas 50 grams, bitter gourd 50 grams, fenugreek greens 200 grams, green chilies 4, turmeric powder 2 grams, sesame seeds 2.5 grams, asafoetida powder 1 gram, low fat sour curd 15 ml, salt to taste. Whole wheat flour 400 grams, onion 1, beans 3, peas 50 grams, bitter gourd 50 grams, fenugreek greens 200 grams, green chilies 4, turmeric powder 2 grams, sesame seeds 2.5 grams, asafoetida powder 1 gram, low fat sour curd 15 ml, salt to taste.
So we can start. To begin with, we take 400 grams of wheat flour. We use onions in it, 2 teaspoons. Beans, chopped beans, again 2 teaspoons. Okay, we take methi leaves, that is fenugreek leaves, 2 teaspoons. Bitter gourd, 2 teaspoons. Okay, green chilies chopped, 2 teaspoons. Asafoetida, green peas chopped, 2 teaspoons, and salt, and a pinch of turmeric powder. And finally, sesame seeds. Okay, a pinch of curd. You make a tough dough out of this mixture. It has to be in a solid state. So now you make small balls of the dough. We make tiny portions of the entire dough. Spread the dough and make a circular plane out of the dough. Generally, diabetic patients should go very low on oil content to reduce calories. So it's always suggested you use a non-stick cookware and avoid oil. So now we fry the plain on the cookware. The preparation time is 1 minute. And this again can be eaten with mint chutney and sour curds. So the plain is ready, almost. It is called a paratha. Is it fried, sir? Almost there. And as a dressing, you cut it into 4 pieces and serve. So, mixed vegetable methi paratha is ready.
Fenugreek and bitter gourd have been traditionally known to help diabetics. This is a very age-old practice which we have used in our traditional Indian practice. Both of them are popular because they have soluble fiber in it. Both are rich in fiber. If you're using fenugreek as leaves, it has crude fiber in it. If it is used as seeds, it has soluble fiber in it. So all put together, when you put it into the put it in a leaf or any other form into this recipe, it improves the fiber content of the paratha. Now, if normally you see a chapati, it will only have the fiber content coming from the wheat flour. When you're adding additionally the fenugreek into it, it doubles the amount of fiber that we are getting from it. Not only the nutritive value wise, appearance wise also there is a huge difference. It definitely can be included in your main meals like your breakfast, lunch and dinner. But if you want to use it as a snack, you could use it as a roll also as an evening snack. Bitter gourd taken in small quantities, either as part of the recipe like this or as a juice independently also, gives miraculous results in reducing and controlling your blood sugar. It does not eliminate it totally, but definitely helps it in controlling it to a very large extent.
Cut all the vegetables finely, boil and add flour, water, salt and all other ingredients to knead it as soft dough. Make small balls and roll it like a chapati. Roast it on a non-stick pan without oil. Serve hot with tomato or mint chutney or with